In our previous lesson, we considered the rules of divisions of integers. We also considered some questions on how we can apply the rules of divisions of integers. And we made emphasis on where the divisor is less than the dividend. What is a divisor and what is dividend? For example, when you have 20 divided by 4, is the same thing as the 20 divided by 4. The 20 here is the dividend. The number that you are using to divide the dividend is the divisor, which is 4. So here we have the dividend to be greater than the divisor. But for example, you can have 5 divided by 15. Here, the dividend is what? Is 5. But the divisor is 15. So in this case, the number that you are using to divide the dividend, which is 15, is your divisor. So take note of that. Examples. Do the following divisions. Do the following divisions. One now, the first one. The second one we have the third one we have and the fourth one the question. Now the first one, we have plus 3 divided by plus 12. This is same thing as plus 3 divided by plus 12. So plus divided by plus from our rule of division is very important. So we have here plus divided by plus will give us plus. And now 3 here, 1, 3 here is what? How many 3 will you see in 12? That's 4. So here, what do we have? This plus 1 over 4. And this is the same thing as 1 over 4. Now, for the second one, we can just write it as what? Minus 2 divided by plus 18. So we write this as minus 2 divided by plus 18. From our rules of division, is very important. Minus divided by plus, what do we have? That's minus. Now, 2 here, 1. And how many 2 will you see in 18? That is 9. So this is minus 1 divided by 9. Now, in this case, we have 5 divided by minus 15. 5 divided by minus 15. This 5 is the same thing as plus 5. Take note of that. So plus divided by minus, what will it give us? That's minus. Now, 5 here, 1. 5 in 15, what do we have? 3. So we have here minus 1 divided by 3. Now, the fourth one, minus 9 divided by minus 45. Now, from our rules of division, minus divided by minus, we can just say minus cancel minus also. Or minus divided by minus to give us what? Plus. Now, 9 here, 1. 9 in 45, what do we have? 5. So in that case, we have here plus 1 over 5. And this can be written as what? 1 divided by 5.